Hey guys, welcome back to the Korean Keto Guy channel, and in this episode, another mukbang video for you all. But not just any mukbang video, because we're coming full circle. Remember the first video that I did where I did a rotisserie chicken? Now that's still true. I still usually only do rotisserie chickens because it's so easy, but I finally turned it into a chicken salad. Look at that. Oh yeah. And it's super easy to do. Like, if you watch the first video I ever made, right, I'll explain that the darker meats are the tastier meats. It's the tastier pieces. It's fattier, it's juicier. But the white meat is kind of harder to eat. It's kind of dry. So what I do is I like to just crumple it all up. So I'll put on gloves, like kitchen gloves, and tear it all up, put into a big old bowl. In fact, right over here, as you can see where I did it all. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, you put it all into a bowl like that, you tear it up, throw it in there. Any vegetables you have, any vegetables in the fridge. In this case, I had cabbage, some green onions, even a jalapeno, pepper, and what else? Yeah, and I just threw it all, cut it up. I just cut it up real easy, nothing fancy. Threw it into this bowl. Also threw in mayo, right? Any kind of mayo. You got the leftover avocado mayo from the last video. Actually, I used the rest of that. And then bam, you got yourself a chicken salad that's easy to make. Any rotisserie chicken you can get from grocery stores, you can do this with. And yeah, without further ado, guys, I am excited to eat. And of course, I have some hot sauce, right? In this case, some Tabasco. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on here. All right. And I'm about to break another 20-hour fast. Actually, this one's probably 20 to 22, but we'll call it 20-hour fast. So, 잘 먹겠습니다, guys. My God. The cabbage, jalapenos, and green onions, they're all basically crunchy, and it's just freaking phenomenal here. This really kicks it up a notch. I gotta tell you, it's been a long time, to be honest, that I've eaten this, because I can make this blindfolded, because I used to always do this, but in the last videos, you know, I've been making other things, so this is kind of a treat to not have in a long time. Absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh. Now is it as good as the last one I did where the ground beef and stuff? No, but it's just still really good. Like, This is way easier to make though. But seriously, this took me not even 5 minutes to make. Now the peppers, the jalapeno peppers, make it a little spicy, but it's like, I really like spicy food, so I love kicking it up. You can always add more peppers. This is really good. I was so hungry. I was so hungry, and this is going to taste so much better. And of course, it's still keto, super keto friendly. Oh. A bone. Gotta be careful when you're tearing up the chicken. I think I got too excited to eat, and so I must have forgot about that. This is great. I can't believe how much I'm enjoying this. It's so good, it's so simple. If I can do it, trust me, any of you guys can do it. And it turns any old boring rotisserie chicken that you get from the grocery store, right? This is not even a flavored rotisserie chicken, it's just the original flavor. turns a boring rotisserie chicken right into a phenomenally delicious chicken salad with vegetables and crunchiness, and oh man. Yeah, I'm very pleased with this one. Oh man. Wow, that was an absolute treat for me. I mean, I usually make this like, this is my go-to. Like, I can make this blindfolded. It's the thing that I would go to when I got sick and tired of rotisserie chicken, which is rare. But I have to say, this was amazing, and with the Tabasco. So with any of your hot sauce of your choice, and with the jalapeno peppers and the veggies and all that stuff, this was just an absolute winner. And look, I basically used a full rotisserie chicken in this one, but there's half of it left in here. So it turns into 2 meals, right? So you save a little money. Now you have a perfectly good keto meal, no excuse. Saran wrap this, boom, right in the fridge, and bam, that's what you guys get. But at any rate, thank you so much, everybody, for watching. If you enjoyed this, of course, give me one of those likes, thumbs ups. If you still want to, throw me any ideas down in the comment section below, I'll take a look at all that. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.